Hello and welcome to the channel. If you're returning, welcome back to the channel. Today we're heading to the Big Apple to check out a very necessary makeover. New York City is replacing its old trash system with something cleaner, smarter, and better for everyone. Let's talk about NYC's new garbage bins and why they could change city life for good. New York City has officially begun rolling out uniform-wheeled garbage bins to replace the mountains of black trash bags that have long lined city sidewalks. The new bins are meant to improve street cleanliness, reduce rat infestations, make trash collection more efficient, and modernize the way NYC handles waste.
Of Sanitation has placed 1,100 so-called empire bins along the curb here in West Harlem. Andre said they used to have a pretty bad rat problem on his West 152nd Street block.
And we're seeing fewer of them. We're very happy. And I do think all of the naysayers will come around.
Nearby resident Diane's biggest complaint has been a reduction in parking spaces,
which were already difficult in this area. So it's a good and it's a bad. We have to balance quality of life with having a place to put our cars.
But she said she'd rather see the bins than bags of garbage piled high on the sidewalks.
For decades, New Yorkers have dealt with overflowing trash bags stacked curbside, often ripped open by rodents or scattered by wind and weather. Mayor Eric Adams and the city's sanitation department say, enough is enough. These new containers seal trash tightly, roll easily, and keep pests out. By 2026, the city aims for all buildings to switch to the new bins. Buildings must use city-approved containers, no more loose bags. The sanitation department will continue collection as normal. But now bins will be rolled out on collection day and stored off-street afterward. Rules will be enforced to prevent bins from blocking sidewalks or streets. Along with the garbage bins, NYC is expanding curbside compost pickup, so food waste and organics can be separated from trash and recycled. How are people reacting? Some residents say it's about time. Others are concerned about where to store bins, especially in tight spaces. But many agree. Cleaner streets and fewer rats, worth the trade-off. So, is this the beginning of a cleaner, healthier NYC? With the new garbage bin rollout, the city is making a bold move toward modern waste management. We'll be watching to see how it goes and what other cities might learn from it. What do you think? Would you want these bins in your neighborhood? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you never miss what's happening next. Right here on Hello Today.